It's important to ensure Bobcat mowers are properly torqued, as it prevents loosening or breakage under stress and reduces wear and tear on fasteners. This will help keep the mower operating safely and efficiently. Remember, hardware on a new machine will continue to settle in after it leaves the factory. The rim and lug nuts will seat in with the initial hours of operation. Reference the Operation and Maintenance Manual for common torque specifications and service intervals. Torques are listed by thread size. A drive-click torque wrench is a common tool to verify torque. Lug nuts will often need to be retorqued. Set the wrench to the specified setting and turn until it clicks. Always remove the key from the ignition before working on the blades or drive pulley. Wear gloves when checking blade bolts and securely position a wood block between the blade and cutting deck. These bolts must be torqued every time the blade is changed. Please note, some hardware has critical torque specifications. You must obtain torque within plus or minus 10%. Component failure due to incorrect torque will not be considered warranty. Do not use power tools and do not over-torque, as this can damage the hardware.